Yeah, I was telling you can first take them as it is. x1 x2 x3 लिखा है मतलब you can just combine them. So you can put jk m together. You can put m first and then jk. You can just put jk jk together. You can put m m together. You can put jk jk m together. Like this, any number of strings you can make, but only with the symbols present in A, because it says it is a closure, yani A star. So these were the operations, and this is how the operations are performed on a regular language. The next important theorems I want to tell, or I want to discuss, as I mentioned before, that the class of regular language is closed under union. For example, if you are telling that your set A and set B are regular languages, then the union operation or the concatenation operation performed on them, उनकी वजह से जो भी हमें sets मिलेगा. So अगर set A and B regular है तो उनका union operation का set B regular language होगा, and the concatenation operation of that set is also a regular language. Closed under union, closed under concatenation का मतलब, if you are having two sets out of which you are getting a third set because of some operation, and that third set का symbols belongs either to your first set or second set, then it is said to be closed because it is a part of your original set. So एग्जाम्पल्स हमने देखा ही है. ए यूनियन बी जब हम करते हैं तो हमें जो भी सिंबल्स मिलते हैं दैट आर प्रेजेंट इन ए और दे आर प्रेजेंट इन बी. So original symbols are not missed, hence they are said to be closed under union. Similarly for concatenation, and similarly for closure or say star. So that is what is written over here. Suppose A and B are two regular languages, and if you perform union operation on them, then the union of A and B, that is A union B set जो भी हमें मिलेगा, it is also called as regular languages. Similarly for concatenation. तो ये जो है इसका images, I mean इसका notes are there at the end of this chapter. So we will discuss that at that time. Wait, just let me help you go through that. Yeah. Here it is, the closure properties of RL. These are the properties. Let's say if you perform all these operations, like you have two sets A and B which are regular, then the union of those two sets are closed under, they are closed under union, they are closed under difference, concatenation, intersection, complementation, clean star and transpose or reversal. तो ऑलरेडी हमने यूनियन, कॉन्कैटिनेशन एंड क्लीन स्टार हमने किया है. बाकी का जो है वो जस्ट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. Please go through this. See, it just says that there are two sets, A और B लिया था वैसे M1 and M2, such that M1 में ये दो symbols है, M2 में ये दो symbols है. This is the start state for M1, start state for M2. Then there comes a machine M3 which is having all the symbols or strings combining both. That is, M3 is constructed for L language M1 union language M2. तो ये जो R0 है that is the start state for M3, that is the new start state we have taken, such that it is covering all the symbols from M1 and it is covering all the symbols from M2 as well. तो ये epsilon moves भी दिखाए हैं. ये रहा symbols यहाँ के, we have M1 में 2 symbols, M2 में 1 symbol, so total of 3 symbols combining the set. So this is the description. Technically it is given, so that you have to only like say by heart it or practice it for the exam point of view, क्योंकि अगर ये आएगा तो थियोरी के लिए ही आएगा और उसका प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल हमने जस्ट किया हुआ है. Similarly they are closed under concatenation. Concatenation मैंने कहा था कि एक symbol, one symbol from set A is merged with the second symbol और से वन सिंबल फ्रॉम बी. यहाँ पे यही दिखाया कि M1 के जो दो सिंबल है वो हम M2 के सिंबल से मैच कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द क्लीन स्टार, दैट ऑल्सो वी ऑलरेडी डिड. एप्सिलॉन मूव्स के साथ एनी नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस यू कैन टेक which is one belonging to the only first set, let's say. Next is under complementation. Complementation matlab if you are having an original language of M, then M bar will be क्लीन क्लोजर माइनस एल, यानी क्लोजर में से ओरिजिनल वैल्यू जितना भी रहेगा वो निकालेंगे तो जो भी वैल्यूज बचेगा दैट विल कम अंडर कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन. दैट इज द नॉर्मल सेट थियोरी ऑपरेशन व्हाट वी डू इन मैथ्स. दैट if you have a set of positive and negative numbers, and if your L of M consists all of positive numbers, then M bar will be all the sets that is of negative numbers. क्योंकि आप क्लोजर में से positive numbers minus करोगे यानी निकाल दोगे, so what you are left with is negative number. So that becomes your complementation set. So if both the sets are regular language, then the complementation operation की वजह से जो भी set मिलेगा, that will also be closed under RL. So that is how intersection, difference and reversal you will be doing as homework. Please go through it, because based on this we may have sums to solve. So unless and until you understand this, it will not be possible for you to solve that sums. Okay, next we start with pumping lemma for RL. Now, pumping lemma is a technique where we use basically to prove that a given language is not regular. See, regular languages we can prove easily because we know that if the FSM accepts that language, means that it is regular. But how do we prove that a given language is not regular? So for that purpose, we use pumping lemma. So there are a few points about it you need to remember that. Pumping lemma is used only to prove that a language is not regular. You cannot use pumping lemma to prove that the language is regular. आप कभी ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, when you want to prove that a string is not regular, only then we apply this technique of pumping lemma. So what is pumping lemma or how does it work? Let us see. It says if A is a regular language, then A has a pumping length P. यानी assume करो that एक language है which is regular, then that language will have a pumping length P which will be determined by us. Pumping length in the sense such that if a string is there, we can divide that string into two parts. Pumping length in the sense we will be taking an example of that much length, and then the string created can be divided into three parts, X, Y and Z. And when you take a string, it should be less than, it should be greater than or it should be equal to your pumping length. And then we can divide that into three parts where following conditions must be true, such that x y raised to I z should belong to A. यानी जो भी स्ट्रिंग हमने बनाया, अगर उसको हमने तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है x, y और z में, such that x and z will be as it is. You can take I का value as 1, 2, anything which is greater than 0. Basically it means you are repeating the length of y. तो जो फाइनल लेंथ जो भी होगा या फाइनल स्ट्रिंग जो भी मिलेगा, that should belong to the original set A. The length of y should be greater than 0 and the length of xy should be less than equals to your pumping length. तो ये सब जो definition है, technically it is difficult to understand like this. We'll be seeing this with the help of an example. Only then it will be very clear. So as I said कि pumping lemma हम use करते हैं to prove that a given language is not regular. So how do we prove that? We prove that using a contradiction following this step. A contradiction says first we have to assume that the language is regular, then we have to decide a pumping length which is given by P, then we have to take a string which is which is longer than pumping length or equal to that pumping length. Then we would divide that string into three parts x, y and z, and जो भी तीन conditions हमने mention किया है वो करना है. Consider all the ways that s can be divided, यानी जो भी string हमने लिया है, all possible ways to divide that string into three parts, and then we have to prove that जो भी हमने conditions ऊपर दिए हैं ये satisfy नहीं होने चाहिए. ये satisfy हुए तो मतलब वो language regular है. तो अगर हम ये कर रहे हैं कि ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब वो लैंग्वेज रेगुलर नहीं है, बिकॉज दीज कंडीशंस आर ओनली फॉर अ रेगुलर लैंग्वेज. सो दिस इज द टेक्निक. First we'll assume that the language is regular, then we'll follow the steps and then we'll make sure none of the conditions are satisfied, and because it is a contradiction to our assumption, we'll prove that the language is not regular. So ये रहा उसका examples which will be starting from the next videos.